Check this thing out. 1988 Yamaha Ysr 50cc, the bike that makes everyone feel like a giant in the motorcycling world. Just my size. Fits like OJ's glove. Vroom, vroom. It's a real street bike, not some little kid's toy. Register it, put it on the road, and watch all the people smile and laugh at you when you drive by on it, especially someone my size. It was last registered in 2018 with 326 miles on it. Now it's got 358. Got a couple little dings and dents in it. It's not mine, it belongs to a friend. I'm just getting it up and running for him. But pretty neat little thing. After I get it going, I got to rip around on the road with it to see how it runs. Road test. We got this thing in here today with a tank full of bad gas, a clogged up carburetor, and a leaky one at that too. So let's tear into this and clean it up. About that. And nice, easy access. Kind of. Let's see how dirty this bad boy is. Do not want to damage the O-ring because I do not have a new carb kit for it. Generally just take these apart, clean them, and throw them back together. Which side do you want to stick on to? The bowl. Not too bad, but it doesn't smell very good. Stale. Everything is nice and clean, and we will put it back together using the same gaskets. Let's check the float by blowing into it. Good. Upside down. Good. See all the junk on the main metering rod. We're going to clean that off before we slide it back in. All right. Let's see what we got. Choke. One kick. Open the petcock, you idiot.